Groupon services honest review watch before using. Most people think Groupon is just about cheap meals, but you won't believe what happens next when you realize how many services you can save on. Groupon is a deals platform offering discounts on restaurants, salons, fitness classes, travel, and local services. It connects businesses with new customers by offering limited time deals. The surprising truth is that Groupon can cut costs by 40 to 70% on many services. Most people get this wrong. They forget to check expiration dates and fine print. Groupon is best for people who enjoy trying new places and services. The surprising truth is that smart deals stretch your budget further. Subscribe for more honest savings platform reviews that protect your wallet.